Hey, welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News, everyone. Mike Schultz with you once again, taking a look at the weather. I hope you had yourself a good day. There's a little saying, this goes, red sunrise in the morning, sailors take warning. Red sunrise at night, or sunset at night, sailors delight. And we had a red sunrise this morning. Sandy Lurigan was able to capture that, and this is the beginning of something coming our direction. I should tell you about it in just a little bit. Again, if you have a photograph to share, by all means send the photos at ktvf11.com and we'll share it with the rest of the audience. Out at the airport right now, 68 degrees after a high of 70. The low last night, 52. Record high, 90 degrees in 1948. Record low, 37 in 1954. Sunrise at 3 a.m. this morning. Sun sets at 12:46 tomorrow morning, giving us 21 hours and 46 minutes of daylight, a gain of 2 minutes from yesterday. Look at this area of low pressure spinning in the Gulf of Alaska. It's just kind of pinwheeling there, and that's what's going to be moving slowly inland. And as it does, it's bringing lots of moisture with it. Look at all the moisture over Canada, and that's coming our direction, which is giving us lots of potential for some heavy rainfall. Our latest radar is showing some of that moisture working its way into the interior right now as we speak, and the clouds and moisture are hanging in and pushing in around the Fairbanks area. So it shouldn't be too long till we start hearing some rainfall, and it'll get heavier throughout the night. I'll tell you about that in just a little bit. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, things are drying out a little bit around the Juneau area. Still some rain around Ketchikan, sunshine at Anchorage, clouds up and down the west coast, a little fog around Barrow, and not a bad day in Fort Yukon, 72 degrees there. Lower 48 weather and no severe weather to talk about today. That's the good news. The bad news is a new storm is forming, which means more severe weather is probably going to be happening in the next couple of days as that system moves out over the Central Plains. In fact, the outlook is calling for isolated thunderstorms over the Central Plains later on this week, with more activity moving across the Great Lakes. Still dry out to the west. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern sections. Here's what it looks like. Cloudy skies at Barrow, mostly sunny skies for the Nome area, and rainy skies in Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, here's where it gets really nasty. Periods of heavy rain developing for Healy, Delta Junction, and Fairbanks. And over southeast Alaska, sunny skies expected at Juneau, partly cloudy skies for Ketchikan. While out to the southwest, we're looking at rain likely for Cold Bay and Kodiak, showers expected for Bethel, and over the south central regions, it looks like for the most part showers for Anchorage, rain for Valdez and Homer. Okay, now here's what we want to pass along to you and emphasize. We have a flood watch in effect through Saturday. Heavy rains are expected to develop later on this evening and overnight, continuing to Thursday. Some rivers near Fairbanks may reach bank full. 1 to 3 inches of rain is possible, so keep an eye on it. We'll keep you updated as much as we can, but it looks like a very, very wet situation, a very potential situation. And like I said, we'll keep you updated on that. Here's our forecast for tonight. Rain developing overnight into the morning hours, 50 degrees. Tomorrow's forecast, not nearly as warm. Rain heavy at times throughout the day, 59 degrees. And the extended forecast. More rain expected on Thursday, showers on Friday. We're going to be optimistic and say just some very isolated showers for midnight sun activities for Saturday and Sunday. Overnight lows will once again be very mild. Daytime highs not nearly as warm as we've been having. Looking at temperatures once again near 70 degrees, hopefully over the weekend. But very wet conditions and very dangerous situation setting up, guys.